Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys 3 of the best clock tips for a beginner clock solver. Alright, so the first tip is to just get a Qi clock. I'm not exactly counting this in the 3 tips. However, if you want to get remotely world class at clock, the Qi clock is the way to go. You can definitely get world class with other clocks such as the Lingao. However, it will be a lot harder, and I just recommend going straight to a Qi if you're remotely interested in the event. Alright, so let's just get started with tip number 1, which is predicting your second cross during inspection. So, memorize this sequence. Got a hang of it? Alright, let's solve this cross. Now I'm gonna flip this back. Look at this, it was exactly the same. For some reason, people don't realize that the second cross is exactly the same as it was during inspection. This is actually pretty intuitive and pretty obvious. However, for a lot of beginner clock solvers that don't know about this, now you do. However, this rule doesn't always apply. If you by any chance turn a dial while its pin is down, then the second cross will not be preserved. Tip number 2 is to have a specific pin order. A lot of clockers, myself included, do not have a proper pin order. However, a lot of the fast people recommend you to have a proper pin order before you try and get fast at the event. Therefore, I will link Owen Morrison's tutorial on how to develop a pin order in the description below. Go check it out if you're interested. The final tip is to implement X2 flips as soon as possible. Now tell me which one looks faster. Obviously the first one is a lot faster because you don't have to completely regrip your hand to flip the clock. A lot of clock tutorials out there teach the Y2 flip, and myself until very recently was also doing the Y2 flip. However, very recently I accustomed the X2 flip into my solves, and this is what helped me break the sub 12 barrier. I was having a very hard time getting used to the X2 flip at one point, even DNFing a lot of solves because my clocks were facing the other way. However, I did get used to it quite quickly, and now I am pretty much sub 12. Once you become really fast at clock and learn lucky cases, you will have to get used to a bunch of flips, including this one and this one and this one. But for a beginner, I would recommend you to stay away from the Y2 flip and just do the X2. So that's about it for the 3 best tips I can offer to a beginner clock solver. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.